Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have both files open. Now choose the data or chart in Excel you want reflected in PowerPoint. Select the exact cell range or chart area so formatting stays consistent. Once selected, copy it with Ctrl+C or right-click Copy. Make sure your Excel workbook is saved on a stable path. If you move the file later, the link can break. Now switch to PowerPoint, go to the slide where the content belongs, and get ready to paste with linking options available. Once on the slide, use Paste Special and choose Paste Link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. This creates a dynamic link. Alternatively, paste normally and click the Paste Options icon, then select Keep Source Formatting and Link Data to preserve look while linking. After pasting, position and resize the object. Use Format Shape or Chart tools to tweak appearance so it fits the slide layout. Make sure the link type matches whether you pasted a range or chart, because behavior differs when updating. To finish, save both files and test the link by changing the source in Excel, then update links in PowerPoint via File Info Edit Links or right-click the object and choose Update Link. If you share, send both files or export to PDF if no live update is needed. If the link fails, relink. Open Edit Links, select the item, and change source to the correct workbook, or recopy and paste Special as Paste Link. This fixes most broken connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.